Let's take a look at the time value of money. In business, another common way of calculating interest is by using a method known as compounding or compound interest, in which interest calculation is applied a number of times during a term of a loan or investment. Compound interest yields considerably higher interest than simple interest does because the investor is earning interest on interest. With compound interest, the interest earned for each period is reinvested or added to the previous principal before the next calculation or compounding occurs. For example, $100 invested at 8% interest is worth $108 after the first year, $100 in principal and $8 in interest. If the interest is not withdrawn, the interest for the next period will be calculated based on the $108 principal. As this compounding process repeats itself each period, the principal keeps growing by the amount of the previous interest. As the number of compounding periods increases, the amount of interest earned grows dramatically, especially when compared with simple interest. If you were owed $1,000, would you rather have it now or 1 year from now? If you answered now, you already have a feeling for the concept. The time value of money is the idea that money now or in the present is more desirable than the same amount of money in the future. Money now or in the present is more desirable than the same amount of money in the future because it can be invested and earn interest as time goes by. The compound amount, or future value, also called FV, is the total amount of principal and accumulated interest at the end of a loan or an investment. Present amount, or present value, also called PV, is an amount of money that must be deposited today at compound interest to provide a specified lump sum of money in the future. You can learn to calculate the compound amount, future value, of an investment at compound interest when the present amount, present value, is known. You also learn to calculate the present value that must be deposited now at compound interest to yield a known future amount. Compound interest that is applied a number of times during a term of a loan or an investment. It's interest paid on principal and previously earned interest.